Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to remove Instagram Instants option from your inbox. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to remove Instagram Instants from your Instagram app in your inbox, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app profile icon, then tap on three horizontal lines. Then you have to scroll down. After tapping the three horizontal lines, you will find here notification. Tap on the notification, then scroll down. In this you will find instants. Just tap on that. In this you can see both options are on. You have to just turn it off. For both options you need to turn it off, then go back, scroll down. In this you can see content preference. Tap on this. You can see last option, hide instants in inbox. You have to just enable this option and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove instant option from your inbox on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.